take the piece. I'm going to dip in all four sides and slightly coat it with So today we are going to see eggless cake. First I'm going to add sugar, milk. Dissolve the sugar completely. Sugar is completely dissolved. Add water, condensed milk, melted butter. Now I'm going to add apple cider vinegar. Once it is completely evenly combined, I'm going to add maida, baking powder, baking soda, corn flour, custard powder. Sieve all the dry ingredients inside. Add it around half the and now I'm going to bake it at 180 degrees for 25 minutes. Honey cake. Apply a layer of jam on top. This is my sugar syrup. I'm going to add my honey. I'm going to add a layer on top. So now take the piece. I'm going to dip in all four sides and slightly coat it with coconut.